Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Homeli. Today I will give you explain about Java programming. I will open Eclipse program. Now we need to create new project. Now we need the file for my SQL. I will add the file for running the SQL. Go to config and add. Set the file for your file. This file for running the MySQL. Now we need to create a new class. Now we have a new class. In this class we need the library for SQL. This for library for SQL. Now we need the code. This for SQL. If you want write any code for SQL, you need to write it between this practice here. After that we need write this code. This code for give us the report if there are any problem in the code for SQL. Now I will write the code. This code for drive database, and this code for database, this server, my server, and this port, this SQL. The my server use username and password. Now I will connect to my server. This code for connect to server. Yeah, I need to write my server and username and password. Now I connected now in my server. After that I need to create a statement. That statement for create if you need to create any code, write any code for SQL, this statement running this code, for running this code. Now I want to create a new table. I need this code for running the any code for SQL. If you want write any code for SQL, you need to write it here. I will put code for create table here. This code for SQL. Create table. Students ID has integer and name has varchar. Now when I run the program will create table in the SQL has student's name. Now I want to insert the data inside the table. I will use this code insert. Insert into students ID, name, this data, this number, and this string. Now when I run this program, the program will insert the name and ID to the table. Now how can you print the data? Now I will use select inside the SQL, but select will give me the return. I need this code and this because the return will save in the this variable. Now I will write the select from students this code for return the result and save it in this rs. What can I do now? I write the code for print the result. I need this for go to rs.next for go to the first row and print get int because I use get int because the id has integer. This is string because the name has string. I will run this program. Now this result. But if I have more name and ID, how can I print it? I will add new data. Now I will add new data. Write name Ali, example. I will run the program. Now I added now this ID and name Ali. But now I want print the result. Use select. What is the result? The result is this and Muhammad. Why? Because I go to the first row. How can I go to the next? I need to copy this and run the program. See, I have 2 rows now. But if I have more than 100, how can I do? Okay, now you need to use well. Okay, why? This for loop, they go to the first row and print and again and the last row the program will stop. Now you can see now this result is good now. Thank you for listening and watching.